Rules and Ideology by Ralph Boyles, participant of MMM Philippines. We are working hard overtime to get paid so we can earn for our daily need. The money won't fall down from the sky. This should be honestly and hardly earned. Yes, we have to work, but what should expect in the end? We are all slaves of money. More precisely, we are one of those who make and print of money. We are slaves of our masters. Nothing has changed from before. Many years had passed, but no one else can prove they can change the world. Even prime ministers, president, but people still suffers in terms of money. We are living in a world of inequality and injustice, so we have to stop. The financial world is organized as pyramid. The FED Federal Reserve System is at the top. The Fed prints dollars how much as it wants. Of course, Fed adheres to some of its own internal rules and regulation. It tries not to print too many dollars to prevent complete devaluation of the currency. But in principle, Fed can print as many dollars as it wants. At least there are no any external limitations for that. The US Fed is guided solely by the reason of expediency. The lower levels of this global pyramid are the central banks of different countries. All other local national banks are on lower levels. In general, everything corresponds to reality and reflects overall pictures. The pyramid shows the basic global structure of dominance and control through the money. We are at the bottom. We need to destroy the pyramid. Are you ready? Change your life. Financial freedom. Introducing MMM Philippines, the power of giving. MMM is a global community of financial aid and donation exchange. MMM is a social network that connects the one who wants to donate money with the one participant transfer money directly to each other. Peer-to-peer system. No central account. It will not collect your money. Founder of MMM. Sergey Madrubi is a founder of the MMM Social Financial Community. MMM is sure to be his life work, but not the only one. Sergey Madrubi, having a degree in mathematics, worked as a programmer and took part in the development of the first operating systems. The company he founded was one of the leading computer equipment distributors in Russia. He was a deputy of the Russian parliament. His literary works were published and they are sold in bookstores. Toby's screenplays were made into movies. His poems were turned into songs. How does it work? MMM is a community of people providing each other financial help on the principle of gratuitousness, reciprocity, and benevolence. In MMM, you don't have to make contracts or pledge your property. In MMM, there are no lenders and no debtors. Everything is very simple. One participant asks for help, another one helps. The only thing that MMM demands from each participant is to be honest and kind to each other. You ask for financial help when you need it. You give financial help when you are able to do it. MMM is global and widespread. 138 million members in 107 countries. 4 years of activity and $14 billion assistance provided. The fastest growing community of people in the world. MMM is 100% legal in the whole world. The goals of MMM: help all the people in the world, spread the money among people so that they gain financial freedom, creating a new fair financial relationship among people. What is MMM? MMM is not a bank. MMM does not collect your money. MMM is not an online business. It's YIP in this investment or MLM program. MMM is a community where people help each other. MMM gives you a technical basic program which need help millions of participants worldwide to find those who need help and those who are ready to provide help for free. All transferred funds to another participants are your help given by your own good will to another one absolutely gratis. If you are completely confident and certain in your actions and make your mind to participate, we kindly ask you to study carefully all warnings and instructions first. In case of any matter regarding the topic, our online consultants are ready to help and answer all your questions. Very important instruction. There is no central account where all the system money flows to and where it can be easily stolen from. All the money is only on the banking accounts of the participants themselves. On a lot of thousand and million private accounts, participants transfer each other money directly without intermediaries. What are they for? In fact, MMM only regulates the process and nothing more. Is MMM a scam? Of course not. Scam is project where admins and managers cheat the ordinary participants. They simply do not tell the truth and hide their intentions to steal the money. MMM openly declare all the risks and does not give any guarantees that your donation will be sent back to you. This is honest and transparent system where participants implement money transfer directly between each other. For every amount you donate, you'll be rewarded with points called Mabro. Mabro amounts will start growing from the moment of deposit at the rate of 30% per month. The total amount of Mabro is the amount of help you can get from the community. Global Mutual Aid Fund is working successfully in many countries, not just in the Philippines. Providing help to others give you a permanent growth of 30% in amount of help you provided. Innovations in MMM develop the community and get an extra energy, extra activity, extra enthusiasm, extra money, up to 100% per month. Make your Mabro grow more than usual. Now everything depends on you and your action only. A period of major innovation in MMM has come. The community leader Sergi Madrudi is introducing a new program in MMM. It allows participants to receive a higher interest in case they are actively involved in the development of the system. To participate in the program MMM Extra, you need to acquire Mabro Extra. They will be available when providing helps, same as with Mabro 30%. The growth rate of Mabro Extra will be from 22% to 100% per month depending on your activity. What else can you get? Referral bonus. You'll get 10% referral bonus from all you deposit of all participants you invited. Inviting new participant is an additional improvement to this community. However, members are not required to invite new participants. This bonus is given so that members are rewarded for actively helping in the development of the system. 10% referral bonus. Managers bonus. Managers of the MMM community can create their own multi-level structures and get a bonus from each of the donation of every participant in their structures make. This is a multi-level bonus, thus a manager can have his own leader whose rank is higher. Manager's bonus depends on his level in the community. Manager's bonus 5% from the second level, 3% from the third level, 1% for the fourth level, 0.5% for the fifth level, 0.3% to the sixth level, 0.01% to the seventh level to infinity. Rules. A participant can register only for one account. MMM has its own way of security that can detect multi-accounts registration. If detected, accounts will be blocked. If you refer a family member, his donation should be less than or equal to your donation. Request for providing help comes to you in your personal office. If you do not do it within 48 hours, you will be blocked from the system. MMM offers free education. MMM Global School for Managers offer free education. All it takes is your time and your willingness to help the community. Education in the school is provided in online regime and lasts for daily school meetings are scheduled. It is an opportunity to consult the tutor and to share personal achievements with classmates. Students are provided with free training materials. They only need to have personal computer or laptop. Training is conducted in English and Filipino. MMM uses Bitcoin. What is Bitcoin? Bitcoin is a form of digital currency created and held electronically. No one controls it. Bitcoins aren't printed like dollars or euros. They produced by lots of people running computers all around the world using software that solves mathematical problems. It's the first example of a growing category of money known as cryptocurrency. What makes it different from normal currencies? Bitcoins can be used to buy things electronically. In that sense, it's like conventional dollars, euros, or yen, which are also traded digitally. However, Bitcoin's most important characteristics and the thing that makes it different to conventional money is that it is decentralized. No single institution controls the Bitcoin network. This puts some people in it is because it means that a large bank can control their money. Who created it? A software developer called Satoshi Nakamoto proposed Bitcoin, which was an electronic payment system based on mathematical proof. The idea was to produce a currency independent of any authority, transferable electronically, more or less instantly, with very low transaction fees. Welcome to MMM. Together, we can change the world.